Have you ever wondered why some people create empires while others struggle to even start? It's not luck, it's not timing, it's mindset. The truth is, the difference between the ordinary and the extraordinary lies in how they think. Billionaires are not born with something special, and how you can start thinking like top 1% even before the world notices you. First rule of the billionaire's mindset: think long term. Most people want success now, this week, this month, but billionaires think in decades. They ask, what can I build today that can still matter 10 years from now? That's why they don't rush. They build foundation and not shortcuts, because they know patience compounds wealth. Long-term thinkers don't panic during setbacks. They understand short-term pain creates long-term power. Billionaires don't chase attention, they create impact. They ask, how can I serve people? How can I solve bigger problems? While most people post for likes, they build legacy, because they know money is just a reflection of the value you bring to the world. Focus on serving and success becomes inevitable. Every billionaire you admire today has mastered their emotions. They don't react, they respond. They don't let their fear dictate their next move. When chaos hits, they breathe. When people keep on doubting them, they keep on building, because they know if you can't control your emotions, you can't control your results. Calm minds build empires. Billionaires are obsessed with learning, not just from books, but from people, failures, patterns, and silences. They study why things work. They ask questions while most people ignore them. They don't say, I already know this. They say, what can I learn from this? Curiosity is their superpower, because growth never stops, it only compounds. Billionaires don't wait for the perfect plan. They move with the imperfect action. They take the leap before they feel ready. They build, fall, adjust, repeat. Most people wait until they feel confident, but confidence only comes after you take any action. Most empires you see today started as an idea which looked impossible, but they started anyway, because they knew clarity comes from doing and not from thinking. Here is the core of billionaire mindset: belief. They don't just want success, they expect it. Their self-worth matches their goals. They believe abundance is normal and not rare. And because they believe it so deeply, they naturally attract people, ideas, opportunities that align with that same belief. Your external world mirrors your internal beliefs. Change that belief and everything shifts. True billionaires don't compete, they create. They don't compare, they contribute. They understand that wealth multiplies when it circulates. They give, they build communities, they uplift others. Because purpose without contribution is empty. The billionaire's mindset isn't about money, it's about becoming. Become disciplined, become curious, become intentional. And soon you will realize wealth was never just about numbers. It was about who you become in the process.